So what you can also do is you can sign in to your WordPress account by simply using your Google account or other social site accounts as long as the email address is tied up with that particular account. So if you want to go ahead and change out the settings for that, then you can go around over here onto your profile from the top right hand side and then go on to your security section right here. So once you go around over here, you can see that it says you do not have any social logins enabled. So what you can do is you can connect your Apple or GitHub or Google account right here as well. In my case, it is not connected yet. So let me just go ahead and connect out my Google account. So now once I do that, you can see that I have to be signed in with my Google account for that, or it'll prompt me to sign in. But in my case, I'm already signed in. So I'm just going to go around and choose my email address and click on continue. And then what happens is that my email, that is my Google email, is associated with my WordPress account now. So now what I can simply do is, let's say, for example, let me just go ahead and log out right here. And then I'm going to go ahead and log in again as well. So now you can see that this is what I have. I can log in with Google, Apple, GitHub. I just went around and linked my Google account with it. So I'm going to click on continue with Google right here. So now if I were to go around and select my Google account right here, click on continue, then what happens is that I will simply be able to log in with my Google account straight away without having to enter out password or by getting out a login link. And that is how you can change around the social login option inside of WordPress.com. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.